What's up YouTube? I hope you guys are doing great. This is the Xenomaniac and welcome back to another video. Today we are riding to a sacred place, the Jain Temple, and one of the most common weekend getaway place from Bangalore city. Oh, I'm probably the only one who takes this road. Always, I see. This is a very common place for us group riders to meet up whenever we go for a ride, which is this road. We always tend to meet up over there. So the weekend curfew is finally over, and finally I got a Sunday that we can go out, so I decided to use this opportunity. I don't know when again the weekend curfew or even the lockdown comes in place. We have no idea.
They say not having a tea on a bike trip is like a crime, for at least once. You can't possibly miss that. Nothing beats the feeling of a solo trip, especially if it is during the golden hour. An open road is all is there to hope for. The destination? It's all about the ride, isn't it?
So that is the place that we will be going. It says about 750 meters. Should take about 2 minute time. Wow. So many people. That's the disadvantage of coming on a weekend. Places will be filled up. I'm not sure, I've not got cash, so I'm not sure if the na phone pay de cash illa na ha
phone pay ಮಾಡಿ
ha if phone pay was available. I don't know why they didn't tell you it in the first. So there's 10 rupees entry fee. Okay, so as usual, bad habit of mine, never carrying cash, so I had to buy something from that shop and also pay 50 rupees extra to give me cash. And now I have to find a parking. This is the reason I don't want to come on a place on a weekend. It will be crowded, so many people. Anyway, that's the place where we have to go.
So basically there is no entry fee or as such. However, if you are carrying a camera, you need to pay a donation of a minimum 100 rupees. I'm not really sure about this donation though, because neither it's mentioned anywhere, nor have I seen it in any of the videos I have seen before traveling there.
हाँ हाँ मारते नहीं जाने के टाइम पे करते
नहीं
करके जाना है ओके
100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
हाँ
100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು
100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಅಲಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ
ಹಾಂ ಇದಕ್ಕ
ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾಗೆ ಸರಿ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
In Digambar Jain traditions, it's customary to be dressed in man's most natural form. Digambara monks cherish virtues like non-attachment and non-possession of material objects. That is why they wear no clothing. This statue was built in honor of Chandranatha Tirthankara. He was one of the ascetics who came upon Mandaragiri and propagated the Digambara sect in South Karnataka. The monks carry a community-owned pinchi, which is a broom made out of fallen peacock feathers. It's used for removing and thus saving the lives of insects in their path before they sit. This meditation hall or Dhyana Mandiram was designed in such a way that it actually looks like one of the Pinchi. The walls are beautifully designed, orange feather centers, and one shining golden ring on top looks stunning, especially during the golden hours. Unfortunately, it's not allowed to capture inside the temple. A giant rock stands tall in the village of Panditanahalli, or a village of the priest, a few kilometers outside the city of Tumkur, which has about 400 steps, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes to climb. Have to say, it was a little bit tiring, but 100% worth it.
There are supposed to be two Jain mandirs which were supposed to be built on 12th century and 14th century, and I think those are under construction right now, or renovation rather. So those are closed. I'll not be able to show you guys those mandirs. This is the lake. It's called Madhyala Lakes. Today I will not have time to visit there. Probably that's for some other day. I guess that's the road that we should go. Alright.
The sunset I witnessed from this hilltop was definitely one of the best, if not the best one I've seen in my life. Coming to a sacred place such as the Basadi betta and witnessing a sunset as beautiful as this one, you do really get the meaning that sunsets are the proof that endings are always beautiful.